The Itel S11 Plus are in almost all of its specifications, save for the RAM capacity which has been bumped to 2 GB. The S11 Plus is simply for those who love the S11 but desire a bigger RAM size. Like the S11, the Itel S11 Plus comes with a 5-inch IPS display which has a WXGA 854x480 pixel resolution and 196 ppi pixel density. It has a plastic shell and metallic black cover, uses on-screen navigation buttons and has a thickness of 8.7 mm. You have 8 GB of onboard storage to install apps and keep files for later use, and if that's not enough, you can slot in an external microSD card with a size of up to 32 GB to expand the default storage. A 5MP camera with autofocus is present on the smartphone's rear for taking photos, and a dual LED flash is helpful in low-light environments. A camera with the same number of pixels is also present at the front for taking selfies. General information. Announced, September 2017. SIM, dual micro SIM slots. Platform, Android operating system, Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Fingerprint, no. Network. Technology, GSM/SPA. 2G bands, GSM 900, 1800. 3G bands, SPA 2100. 4G bands. Body and display. Type, IPS capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. Size, 5.0 inches. Resolution, 854x480 pixels, WXGA. Pixel density, 196 ppi. Protection, NA. Dimensions, 145x73.48.7 mm. Weight, NA. Build, plastic shell with metal back. Colors, space gray, champagne gold, and rose gold. Hardware. Chipset, 64-bit 1.3 GHz MediaTek MT6580M processor. CPU, Cortex A7 quad-core. GPU, Mali 400. Connectivity. LAN, Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot tethering. Bluetooth, v4.0. GPS, yes, with a GPS. USB, micro USB v2.0. NFC, no. Memory. RAM, 2 GB. Internal storage, 8 GB. External storage, expandable up to 32 GB via microSD. Camera. Rear camera, 5MP. Rear flash, yes, dual LED flash. Features, autofocus, video recording. Front camera, 5MP. Front flash, no. Battery. Capacity, 2400 mAh. Type, non-removable Li-ion battery. Movable Li-ion battery.